What is the confinement diet? Well, the concept of confinement revolves around a period of rest and recovery for new mothers, typically lasting 30 to 40 days after delivery. During this time, women are encouraged to focus on healing, bonding with their newborns, and restoring their physical and emotional health. So what is the confinement diet? Well, stay tuned and I'll explain. Welcome to Nourish. My name is Melanie and I'm a dietitian who specialises in nutrition throughout the first 1,000 days of life, from conception to toddlerhood, where it sets the foundations for the future health of your baby. Now, I have a load of resources to help you through this special period. Just check out the description box below this video. So what is the confinement diet? Well, the confinement diet is a key part of the tradition of confinement, with foods chosen specifically to promote recovery from childbirth, support milk production for breastfeeding, replenish lost nutrients, and restore energy levels. This practice is most common in Chinese, Malaysian, Indian, and Korean cultures, though it varies slightly depending on regional traditions. The traditional confinement diet emphasises warm, nourishing, and easily digestible foods, while avoiding cold or cooling foods based on the principles of traditional Chinese medicine. Although I know very little about traditional Chinese medicine, there is certainly some wisdom in resting and eating well after the birth of your baby. The confinement diet is built around 6 foundations. Number 1, warm foods and drinks. New mothers are encouraged to consume warm soups, stews, and teas to support digestion and circulation. Bone broths, chicken soup, and herbal teas are staples because they provide hydration, protein, and essential nutrients to aid recovery. Number 2 is iron-rich foods. Since childbirth can cause blood loss, the confinement diet often includes iron-rich foods such as red meat, organ meats, spinach, and black dates to replenish iron stores and prevent postpartum anemia. Number 3 is ginger and warming herbs. Now, ginger is the cornerstone of the confinement diet due to its ability to support digestion and reduce inflammation. Other herbs such as turmeric, garlic, and pepper are also commonly used. Number 4 is foods to boost milk production. Now, to support breastfeeding, the diet includes foods believed to enhance milk supply, such as fenugreek, papaya soup, fish, and oats. Number 5 is avoiding cold foods. New mothers are advised to steer clear of cold or raw foods such as salads, ice-cold drinks, and tropical fruits, as these are thought to hinder digestion and slow recovery, although I haven't seen any solid research to support these beliefs. Number 6 is to include protein-rich and nutrient-dense choices. Eggs, chicken, fish, and sesame oil are often included to provide the body with ample protein and healthy fats for tissue repair and energy production. While much of the confinement diet is rooted in cultural tradition, there are practical benefits that align with modern nutritional science. These include nutrient replenishment. With the emphasis on nutrient-dense foods, it helps to restore key vitamins and minerals lost during childbirth. Number 2 is tissue repair. Protein-rich meals do support the repair of muscles and tissues. Enhanced lactation. Many foods in the diet contain galactagogues, which are compounds that may help increase breast milk supply. Digestive support. Warm and easily digestible meals can be gentle on the stomach, especially for women recovering from a cesarean section or perennial tears. Now, the confinement diet can provide a structured way to focus on your recovery and nutrition after giving birth. However, it's important to tailor it to your individual needs. For example, if you have a specific health concern, such as you had gestational diabetes during pregnancy or you have anemia, your dietitian can help modify the diet to meet your requirements. If you're curious about how the confinement diet could fit into your postpartum journey, or if you'd like tailored nutrition advice, consider speaking with a dietitian. We can help you create a plan that works for your unique needs and cultural preferences. And finally, remember that your recovery really matters, and a little bit of extra care can make a very big difference. While you're here, please subscribe to my channel for more nutrition tips, and if you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you could like it. I look forward to seeing you next time. Fertility. Oops, not fertility. Sorry, I have to start again. Bonding with their newborns and restoring their where I'm getting fertility from. Physical is the word.